In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exploring the new invoice format in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through how to find the new invoice settings, create or edit a template, customize the layout, and then save everything so it's ready to use in your day-to-day invoicing. First, let's access the Form Styles area, which is where all of your invoice templates live. In QuickBooks Online, look to the very top right corner of your screen and click on the small gear icon. This opens a menu with several columns. Under the column labeled Your Company, select Custom Form Styles. This is the main hub where you'll see any existing templates you've already set up and where you can start working with the new invoice format. Next, you can choose whether you want to create a brand new template or edit one that's already there. To create something from scratch, click the New Style button and then choose Invoice. That opens up a fresh template using the new invoice experience. If you prefer to adjust an existing look, find the template you want in the list, then click Edit, or use the Edit drop-down arrow to get to the same place. Another option is to begin right from the invoicing workflow by clicking the plus New button on your main navigation bar and then choosing Invoice. From there, you can switch into the new format and start customizing. Once you're in the template editor, this is where the real design work happens. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Start with the Design tab to change the overall style of your invoice. Here, you can adjust colors to match your branding, choose fonts that are easy to read, and tweak other visual elements so your invoices look professional and consistent. Then move over to the Content tab. This is where you control what information appears on the invoice. You'll see pencil icons next to different sections, like the header, the customer and invoice details, and the product or service table. Click those pencils to edit each section. You can toggle specific fields on or off, depending on what you want to show your customers. For example, you can choose to display past due amounts or payments received since the last invoice, which can really help with clarity for ongoing clients. On the right-hand side of the new invoice experience, you'll also find additional settings, such as payment options and automation features. Take a moment to review these so your invoices support online payments, reminders, and any other workflows you use. When you're happy with the layout and settings, it's time to save your work. Click the Done button to save your changes to that template. If you've created a new template and you want this to be the one QuickBooks uses by default, go back to the list of custom form styles, click the Edit drop-down arrow next to your new template, and choose Make Default. From now on, any new invoice you create will use that updated design. And that's how you can explore and customize the new invoice format in QuickBooks Online, so your invoices not only look great, but also work the way your business needs.